Video, I'm going to explain git fetch versus git pull. So this is one of the questions being asked in interviews. So let's do check this in action. So I'm just gonna clone this repo. Let's open in VS Code. My bad. I'm just gonna create a file hello.txt. I'm just gonna say I and then open terminal, add it and commit it. I'm gonna say initial commit. Just do git push origin and main. We can do this from here as well. So if you jump in here, if you refresh it, now you can see hello.txt. So I'm gonna make changes in here remotely. I'm gonna add second line, just committing it. So if you want to see the remote changes, what you can see, you can fetch it. Git fetch origin main. So locally we got only hi for now. So once I run this command, still I have only hi. It fetched that remote changes, but it didn't merge it. So how you gonna check that? You can see here as well. Our main branch is pointing to fetch head, but this one from the remote origin. So if you run the command git remote -v, you can see remote origin. If you run the command git branch -a, now you can see this is our local branch and this is our remote branch. So if you check out git checkout and this origin main, it's origin slash main. Now you can see second line, but in local branch main branch, if you run the command again git branch, but we don't have that changes in main. Git checkout main. So how you gonna do? We already fetched that, so you can merge it. Git merge origin main. We are already in the main branch, so we are merging the origin branch remote. Now you can see that they are in sync now. So if you want to fetch it at the same time you want to merge it, then how you gonna do? You can simply do, let's make another change in here. I'm gonna say third line. Gonna add pull as well. So you can say git fetch only fetches it, but not gonna merge it. Again, you need to run the merge command. But if you use git pull command, it's gonna fetch it as well as merge it. Let's see that in action. If you run it now, if you check in here, we got only two lines. So if you run git pull origin main, so now you can see third line. So it fetched as well as it merged in the local branch. So that's the difference between git pull versus git merge. Just practice multiple times to get this. Just rewatch the video to understand it. So this is a simple question, but many people get confused. So this is been asked in many interviews. Even I was asked this question many times. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching.